Welcome, Tech Follow.
Hey guys. You will be glad to know that we want to show the best product in this video for maximum advantages. You will definitely be interested in buying this product. We have make this video by spending our overall feedback and time. We have show in here product quality and the right price. So whether you want more different your best budget. Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis.
Product name: DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo, Ultralight Foldable Drone, 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera, 12 MP photos, 31 minutes flight time, AquaSync 2.0 10 km HD video transmission, quick shots, gray. We aim to show you accurate product information. Manufacturers, suppliers, and others provide what you see here, and we have not verified it. See our disclaimer. Size: DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. DJI Mini 2 is beginner-friendly, powerful, and mini. Impressive performance, stunning image quality, and creative videos are just a few taps away. Explore an entirely new perspective, capturing the moments that make your life truly yours. Intelligent modes. Panorama. Select from wide angle, 180 degrees, and sphere panoramas, and DJI Mini 2 will do the rest, generating a panoramic masterpiece almost instantly. Enhanced photo. The DJI Fly app features intelligent, built-in photo optimization. The app automatically enhances image quality after downloading a photo, resulting in vivid colors and details that pop. Direct download and instant editing. Quick transfer. When Mini 2 is close to your smartphone, the DJI Fly app will automatically recognize and connect to the aircraft and synchronize selected photos and videos at 20 MB/s. Trimmed download. Pros. Super lightweight. Construction of high-quality materials. Long-lasting battery. Motor with a powerful motor. Extreme camera connection. Great camera quality. Design and construction excellence. Affordable price. Cons. No collision detectors. Very good. I like this product very much. I highly recommend to you for your best personal support. Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.